Managing diabetes often starts with good breakfast choices. Today we'll create a low-carb vegetable omelette, tasty and filling. Let's gather our ingredients: fresh vegetables, eggs and cheese. You'll need bell peppers, spinach, onions and tomatoes. Choose your favorite cheese, like feta or mozzarella. Now let's get cooking. First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Whisk them until mixed well. Add a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. Next, chop your vegetables into small pieces. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a small amount of olive oil or butter. Once hot, toss in chopped onions and bell peppers. Saute until they become soft, about 2 minutes. Now add spinach and tomatoes for freshness. Cook until the spinach wilts, around 1 minute. Spread the sauteed veggies evenly in the pan. Pour the whisked eggs over the vegetable mix. Cook for a few minutes until the edges firm up. Sprinkle cheese on top and cover the pan. This will help melt the cheese beautifully. Once cooked, gently fold the omelette in half. Carefully slide it onto a plate. Look at that perfect, colorful vegetable omelette. This dish is low in carbs and rich in nutrients. It keeps you energized without spiking your sugar levels. Enjoy it with a side of avocado for healthy fats. Remember, variety is essential. Try different veggies like mushrooms or zucchini too. This omelette is quick, tasty and healthy. In summary, a low-carb vegetarian omelette is simple to make. It supports diabetes management with balanced ingredients. Now it's your turn to try this recipe at home. Share your omelette creation in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipes.